Meaning of food processor.
Food processor.
Food processor.
Food processor.
Food processor. A food processor is a kitchen appliance that can be used for a variety of food preparation tasks such as chopping, slicing, pureeing, and mixing. It typically consists of a motorized base unit with a bowl or container and various attachments for different functions. Food processors are commonly used to quickly and easily process large quantities of food, and can save a lot of time and effort in the kitchen. With a food processor, you can easily create meals and snacks with consistent texture and flavor.